Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and today we'll be looking at the history of the expressive forms. Now, number one, research background information on each expressive form, such as the history, examples, types, medium, etc. Alright? Number two, two paragraphs on each expressive form. And number three, each form should be on one page. Okay, so let's say you're doing painting should be on one page, and let's say you're doing graphics should be on another page. Okay, and you try to get the history, the origin. Probably I should put origin. So the origin, history, examples, types, mediums, etc. Whatever important information that you think should be there, you include it in the history of the expressive forms. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.